Planning your next trip and wondering if your credit card is going to sneakily cost you an extra 2.5% on every single purchase? If you're a Canadian traveler, you know the struggle is real. Most credit cards in Canada tack on a foreign transaction fee, turning your perfect souvenir into a slightly less perfect financial decision. This is why cards that waive that fee, like the popular Rogers Red World Elite MasterCard, are so attractive. But here's the thing. Just because a card is good for some foreign purchases doesn't mean it's the best travel card overall. Today, we're pitting the Rogers Red World Elite against its top competitors to see which one truly deserves a spot in your wallet when you cross the border. Let's start with the Rogers Red World Elite, which is famous for its zero annual fee, no foreign transaction fee status. Except, here's the huge asterisk, the Rogers Red only waives the foreign transaction fee on US dollar purchases. For virtually any other currency, euros, pounds, pesos, that standard 2.5% fee applies. Yes, you get a solid 3% cash back on USD purchases, which offsets the fee and leaves you with a 0.5% net gain, but for non-USD purchases, you're actually losing cash after the fee. So, if you travel beyond the US, you need a different strategy. Here are the 3 best alternatives for true, no-fee worldwide travel spending. Alternative 1, the zero annual fee, true no-fee card. If your goal is simply to eliminate that 2.5% fee everywhere without paying an annual fee, your best bet is the Home Trust Preferred Visa. This card has no annual fee and genuinely charges no foreign transaction fees on all foreign currency purchases. The catch? The rewards are basic, a flat 1% cash back on most spending in Canadian dollars, and no rewards on foreign currency purchases. It's a pure fee saver, not a travel rewards powerhouse. Alternative 2, the rewards powerhouse. For those who want zero foreign transaction fees and a rich rewards program, you have to look at cards like the Scotiabank Passport Visa Infinite or the Scotiabank Gold American Express. The Passport Visa Infinite has an annual fee, but it's the gold standard for travelers who want flexibility. It offers no foreign transaction fees on all currencies and often comes with perks like airport lounge passes and strong travel insurance. The Gold Amex is a point-earning machine, sometimes offering a huge multiplier on categories like groceries and dining, plus no foreign transaction fee. The trade-off here is the higher annual fee, and the fact that American Express isn't universally accepted overseas. Alternative 3, the prepaid digital option. Finally, a quick mention for the digital-first options, like the Wise Card or the EQ Bank Card. These are prepaid cards or debit cards, not credit cards, but they offer true mid-market exchange rates and no foreign transaction fees. They're excellent for small vendors who might not take credit cards or for cash withdrawals, but you won't get the purchase protection or credit building of a credit card. The verdict. So, which card wins? If you only travel to the US, the Rogers Red World Elite is an unbeatable choice for the cashback return. If you travel anywhere else and want to keep your wallet light and your fees at zero, opt for the Home Trust Preferred Visa for a no-fee option, or the Scotiabank Passport Visa Infinite if you want the full travel insurance and lounge perks. The main takeaway is to know where you're going, and if you're leaving the US, leave the Rogers Red at home and grab a truly fee-free global card. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.